Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Engineer Salem. Today we'll be talking about something very nice. I would like to share it with you. It's about how to how to know the location of planets and stars. For normal people like myself and you, we don't need a lot of complicated stuff. We just use the applications available in the store, like Apple Store or Google Store. So I have one here. I'll click on it, and this is Star Walk 2. So it's an application, normal application, free, of course. It's available to everybody. As you can see, my friends. Okay, I'm removing the sound, of course. As you can see at the top, we have two options, left and right. I go to the left. Your location should be activated. I mean, a GPS should be activated. All right, so I'm going to the left where it shows the directions. As soon as I click on it, the application here, it shows me the true location of the stars and the planets. For example, here I have Jupiter. As you can see, that's a Jupiter over there. If I click on it, okay, see down there, I click on it, the application will tell me this is Jupiter, gives me a little, okay, I can do a little bit of 3D things, yeah, right. Of course, if I go up there where there is a question mark, the second, right, it tells me a little bit story about the Jupiter, so that's fine and good, I like it. So the same thing for all other planets that you might see. I go again up left to the location. Here I go, I can see that now the Milky Way is coming up very nicely. This is on the, see, it is now coming up, I mean at the eastern part. I also have here, very nice, that's my Saturn, that is Saturn, which is it is a planet. If I go here Saturn, it will give me some information about Saturn, and it goes on like that. It's so beautiful and nice, and it is easy for everybody to use. For normal people, it's not complicated. It's so beautiful, so good for children as well. If children, any of your children asking you which star is this, which star is that, you will just go ahead and point to the star with your camera, I mean with your telephone, and you will know. See, I can see more other stars here. So it is like that. Nice little application to help you to allocate to know the location of the stars in the sky, especially in the dark sky. It's beautiful. Thank you very much. This is Salem. Polaris. That's my Polaris. That's the north. I think Polaris is, that's, if I click on it, yes, that's Polaris. And I want to know more information about it. It tells me Polaris Alpha, a lot of good stuff. Star for Pole North. Okay, so it is like that. It is so simple and so easy to use this application. I recommend for children as well. Children like this. I saw this impression from the children that I talked to. Yes, of course, we would like to know the sun. Where is the sun now, guys? That is the sun over there. And of course, later on, we would like to know where is the moon. So if I go back and see, look for the moon, looks like the moon is still down. Moon is still down. Yes. The moon is there. That's my moon. That's down. That's the moon over there. So it is like that. So that's the way, a 3D moon. So simple, so nice, little application to help us to locate the to locate the positions, or to know the location of the stars. so that we can learn more about it, and so that I can use you can use your cameras. Don't forget this. You can use your cameras to take nice photos and videos. Thank you very much. This is Salem. This was our lesson today about the location of the stars and the moons and the planets. Thanks a lot.